Are you a dental lab that's stuck in the past? Do you need something to energise your team and bring you back into the 21st century? Or maybe you've already raced into the future and want to get the very best out of your digital equipment. Well, we have the solution for you. It's called LabVision Live. This is an all-new event for dental labs, whether you already purchased digital equipment or looking to learn more about it. We're working in partnership with FreeShape to bring you an experience which your lab team will never forget. This will be a full day spent with leading digital lab experts including Stephen Green, Darren Kelsey and Dan Holbeck. All topics of digital lab production will be covered, from crown and bridge to dentures to orthodontics to implants. There'll be something for the whole lab team. In between attending mind-blowing lectures, there'll be a full workflow exhibition area with key FreeShape manufacturing partners. There will be some of the latest equipment and technology on show for you to try, plus an opportunity to get the insider tips and tricks from our own training experts. And you can bring a dentist along with you for free. So will you be there? On the 6th of February 2020 at FreeShape UK headquarters in Reading. This is a truly unmissable day. Take your chance now to become part of it. For more information, visit labvisionlive.co.uk or speak with your local Henry Schein representative.